morning. For my Alishan tour, I'm going to have some breakfast first. And I'm walking to Formosa Station. On my way to Alishan. So we're doing a quick stop. May temple dito. And then may ritual na ginawa kanina. Hindi ko na na-video kasi napakabilis nung event or nung pangyayari. So we made it here in Alisan. It was a 1 hour and a half ride from Sumachuco Visitor Center. We're here sa main area nila. It's cold, guys. May mga nakita ko mga sakura flowers. What we'll do is to redeem our free cake na kasama dun sa may ticket na binili sa Klook. Okay. It's really nice. Ito yung mga shops nila. Super cool. Souvenirs. Yung mga ano rin, mga beanie, gloves to keep you warm, mga snacks, coats. Ito yung parking area. So, ready na natin yung cake dito.
6颗。
这个是4元的效率，6颗。
Chocolate and also
And
this one, right?
peanut, yes.
Yes.
Oops. Going to the Visitor Information Center while I'm having my chocolate cake and my peanut mochi. I like chocolate one. The peanut butter, not my cup of tea though. But it's for free, so.
See that? On the top of the name.
So we're now walking. Ganda ng weather, guys. And hindi siya nakakahaggard kahit alam mo yun, nahaba na ng nilalakad mo. Next stop pala is ito. View deck ng ano, ng forest. And mahangin. It's amazing, guys. The views are really stunning. Dito na tayo sa bandang ano ba to? Second employee dormitory area. We have a long way to go. Dito na kami mag-lunch later. Ganda sa area na yun. Pero hindi ako sure. Nakalimutan ko na kasi yung itinerary namin.
Quick update. So, okay lang ako. I'm just resting my legs for a bit. We are very close to the temple and that's where we'll be having our lunch. Ang init na. Medyo pinagkatilig ng araw. Kaya, buti na talaga. I brought my long sleeves and my cap. So, ayoko munang masunog. Okay, tuloy na talaga.
Yan, almost there. I'm not sure if may mga natututunan kayo sa pag-vlog ko na to sa Alisan. Pero hindi ko rin kasi alam yung itinerary. Sumusunod lang ako sa tour guide namin. So yun, malapit ata kami sa temple. Hindi ko nga rin alam kung ano yung mga names ng places na pinupuntahan namin. Pero basta, nasa Alisan ako. Kaya rin na yun.
it's coming. 夜来。
So hi guys, we're already at the temple. Actually, it's quite similar din sa may una kong pinakita sa inyo. At the moment, nire-renovate ata siya. Itong area na to guys, it's also stopover. You see a lot of food stands. And I am hungry, kaya mamimili na ako. Yan, saan ako pwedeng kumain. Check tayo guys. Dito mga sausages ata. Wala pa tayo.
我喜欢都被 baby 耶。三只基尼。
Ay, masarap. Parang gusto ko ito i-try.
菜包好食好食。
Ulit ko naman. Para last ikat na. Halos pare-pares naman siya guys. So ito na lang kinuha ko.
好，小姐。
Para mas safe. 80. Okay. Fish cake, crab cake, tsaka ito sausage. Kain muna ako. So we will be continuing our walk. It's getting a little bit colder, by the way. And I love it kasi nakaka-fresh yan. Guys, yung Red Cypress. Wala masyadong tao. It's easier to achieve, you know, that money shot. Wait lang, picture lang ako. Nakakis ng river. ng train. Got my ticket. And we're leaving in 5 minutes. I thought I wouldn't be able to do it, pero surprisingly I can. Did you say? Anywhere, yeah. So we're on our way back to the Alisan Information Center. Actually ends our trip, but I wish I visited more spots. And being on a tour limits you, from exploring, the entire area. It's okay. I had fun naman. We're back to where we started. Battery is running out. Lilipat ako sa camera ko later. Pagdating natin uli sa Kaohsiung. After nito, I think we'll arrive at around 5 or 6 p.m. Most probably, I'll be hungry by that time. Limited lang yung places na pinuntahan namin. Hindi rin ako dun nakapunta sa may hanging bridge. And yung mga iba pang mga popular spots. But all in all, I enjoyed this Kluk tour. Ano yun? Okay.
欢迎是。
这两位还在吗？
那两位等下调一下。没关系。我就知道。4 3
I like this one that was served to me. Oh my god, super cute ng baby, oh! That concludes the Alisan trip for today.